Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best bag holder on the market, the Bag Butler Lawn and Leaf Trash Bag Holder. If you've ever struggled with those bulky lawn bags that flop over or require you to bend and hold them open while raking, this product is here to change the game. The Bag Butler is specifically designed to hold 30 to 42-gallon bags open for easy filling, making yard cleanup faster and less of a hassle. One of the standout features is its no assembly required design, so right out of the box, you're ready to tackle your leaves and debris without any frustrating setup. Made in the USA, this product combines convenience with durability. Measuring 24 inches long, 20 inches wide, and 10 inches high, and weighing just 4 pounds, the Bag Butler is a lightweight but sturdy companion for your yard work. It's crafted from solid, heavy-duty recycled plastics that are weatherproof, ensuring it withstands the elements without cracking or warping like some other materials might. Unlike flimsy cardboard or corrugated plastic stands, this holder promises longevity and reliability. The innovative design of the Bag Butler allows it to instantly pop open bags wide, holding them upright so you can rake leaves and debris directly into the bag with minimal effort. It even features a tapered 20-inch dustpan edge, which makes sweeping debris into the bag a breeze. This thoughtful detail means you can easily empty your grass catcher without spilling, and you don't have to awkwardly hold the bag open or bend over repeatedly. There are two ways to use this versatile product. For 30 to 33-gallon bags, you use the Bag Butler in an upright position, which keeps the bag steady while you fill it. For larger 33 to 42-gallon bags, you lay the holder sideways, and it springs open to the size of your bag, providing a wide opening to rake directly into. This flexibility makes the Bag Butler great not only for leaf bags but also for recycling bins or other yard waste containers. Storage is simple with this compact and space-saving design. The Bag Butler folds flat so you can tuck it away neatly when not in use. Whether you're dealing with fallen leaves, grass clippings, or other yard debris, this product helps you fill bags faster, usually in less than a minute. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use, and efficient solution to yard waste cleanup, the Bag Butler Lawn and Leaf Trash Bag Holder is a fantastic choice. It saves you time and effort, helps keep your work area tidy, and lasts season after season thanks to its sturdy construction. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to make yard work easier, this might just be the best investment you make this year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.